The News Hour Special Edition.
Good evening, hello and welcome. You're watching Times Now. This is the News Hour. My name is Pranesh Kumar Roy. Amid furor over 4-year military recruitment scheme, the Modi government has announced three big tweaks, three big concessions to allay apprehensions about the future of Agniveers. After Home Minister Amit Shah announced that Agniveers will get 10% reservation in recruitment for the Central Armed Police Force, the Defence Ministry has announced that Agniveers will get 10% reservation in job openings at Defence Ministry. Remember, the government had earlier increased the upper age limit for recruitment under the Agnipath scheme for the first batch of recruits.
हिंसा का रास्ता अपनी बात रखने के लिए ठीक नहीं है। अग्निवीर युवाओं के हित में और देश को और सुरक्षित बनाने के लिए एक युवा आर्म्ड फोर्सेस बनाने के लिए उस दिशा में निर्णय लिया गया है। सरकार ने 2 साल की रिलैक्सेशन भी दी है, वो भी दिखाता है कि आपकी बात को सुना गया। माननीय गृह मंत्री जी ने सेंट्रल आर्म्ड पुलिस फोर्सेस में भी आरक्षण देने की बात कही और उसमें भी एज को रिलैक्स करने का निर्णय लिया गया। ये भी युवाओं के हित में लिया गया। देश भर के कॉरपोरेट जगत ने अग्निवीर को अपने यहाँ पर रोजगार देने के लिए प्राथमिकता देने पर मेरिट के आधार पर बात कही है। मैं युवाओं से यही कहूँगा कि भर्ती प्रक्रिया जो शुरू हो रही है उसके लिए अपनी तैयारी शुरू कर दीजिए और आपको मेरी ओर से बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
मैं अपने युवा साथियों से अपील करना चाहता हूं, ये अग्निपथ योजना ये क्रांतिकारी योजना है और इसलिए मैं युवाओं से निवेदन करूंगा। मुझे मालूम है कि उनको बरगलाने की कोशिश चल रही है, मुझे मालूम है कि उनको गुमराह करने की कोशिश चल रही है, लेकिन मैं बताना चाहता हूं अपने युवा साथियों को कि आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी पर भरोसा रखना चाहिए। उनसे निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि इस स्कीम की गहराई को जरूर समझें और जानें कि दुनिया में फौज को आगे बढ़ने का रास्ता जो हमारी सरकार ने बनाया है वह रास्ता उत्तम रास्ता है। उस रास्ते को प्रशस्त करने में उनका सहयोग रहे।
Now, despite assurances from the government, isolated incidents of violence, arson, vandalism were reported from several states. Several vehicles were torched and a railway station was vandalized in Bihar's Taregana. A truck was set on fire in Jahanabad, the district of Bihar. In Uttar Pradesh's Jaunpur, stones were pelted at policemen and a bus was torched. The opposition continues to run for the government, with Congress leader P. Chidambaram calling the concessions announced by the government a piecemeal and the entire scheme ill-conceived. The Aam Aadmi Party has also backed the rollback of the new recruitment scheme.
The problem with this government is that they act in haste and then regret at leisure. But the price is paid by the country. In this case, it's paid by the youth of this country. Why didn't you think of all this before you announced this, hastily announced this policy? Why didn't you go through the parliamentary procedure? Why didn't you take into account the opinions of various stakeholders? That's the way policies are made in this country. I don't understand why Mr. Modi hasn't been able to realize this after 8 years of being in power.
आज मैंने केंद्रीय रक्षा मंत्री जी को, राजनाथ सिंह जी को एक पत्र के माध्यम से देश के युवाओं के ओर से उनके बिहाफ पे एक अपील करी है, दरख्वास्त रखी है अपनी कि कृपया कर ये अग्निपथ नाम की जो आप स्कीम लाए हैं इसे वापस लें, इस पे विचार विमर्श हो। सेना की सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से देखें तो भी खतरनाक है और युवाओं के भविष्य के लिए भी खतरनाक है। आपका सैनिक मोटिवेटेड ही नहीं होगा, वो सारा टाइम ये सोच रहा होगा कि 4 साल बाद जब मेरी नौकरी चली जाएगी तो मैं अपना घर कैसा चलाऊंगा। रेजिमेंटल ऑनर एक होता है सेना में, जो अपने रेजिमेंट के लिए लोग समर्पण दे देते हैं, देश के लिए सर्वोच्च बलिदान दे देते हैं, उस रेजिमेंटल ऑनर को भी ये स्कीम ठोस पहुंचाती है।
यूथ में आक्रोश है, यूथ जाना चाहता है देश की सेवा में, लेकिन आप उस पर भी पाबंदी लगा रहे हो। मतलब नेता लोग जो हैं वो 80-80, 90-90 साल की उम्र तक इलेक्शन लड़ रहे हैं और हमारा यूथ जो है उनको आप कह रहे हो जी 17 के आओ, 21 के भूतपूर्व बन जाओ। क्या फौज भी किराए पे रखी जाएगी अब? हाँ, उनका डेमोक्रेटिक राइट है, संवैधानिक उनका हक बनता है, वो प्रदर्शन करें, लेकिन तोड़ फोड़ या संपत्ति पंजाब की जो है वो उन्हीं की संपत्ति है, लोगों की संपत्ति है, उसको कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचाएं।
As vandals stoke fire, Congress Neta is caught on camera giving an open dhamki. Irfan Ansari, who is a member of Legislative Assembly in Jharkhand, says खून से लथपथ हो जाएंगे लेकिन अग्निपथ स्कीम को लागू नहीं होने देंगे। लिसन टू दिस।
चल रहा है, देश के प्रधानमंत्री ने 8 सालों में आपने कोई नौकरी नहीं दिया, रोजगार नहीं दिया, और आज आपने देश को बेच दिया। आपने रेल बेचा, हवाई जहाज बेचा, कल कारखाने सारे आपने बेच दिए, नोट बेच दिया, लेकिन हम लोगों ने कुछ नहीं कहा। लेकिन आज आप देश की सेना को बेचने जा रहे हैं। इसका आक्रोश आज हमारे तमाम युवाओं के साथ है। आप देख लीजिए, आप लोग, देश होगा खून से लथपथ, लेकिन ये अग्निपथ हम नहीं होने देंगे। क्या चाहते हैं कि हमारे सेना को मोदी के हाथ, अदानी अंबानी के हाथ में भेज दें? अब 4 साल में हमारा युवा रिटायर हो जाए, युवाओं के साथ भविष्य खिलवाड़ करे, ये हम लोग नहीं चलने देंगे। आज तमाम युवाओं के पेट में रोजगार, अपने पेट में लात मारने का काम किया।
Irfan Ansari has openly threatened and said that if Agnipath is not withdrawn, the streets will be Khoon se Latpat. This shows that on the one hand, Congress party says cosmetically that they want Mahatma Gandhi's Satyagraha, but on the other hand, they keep on sponsoring this kind of violent agitations, be it the CAA, be it the Hijab Rao, or be it the entire Congress Andolan against Rahul Gandhi's ED questioning, or be it Agnipath. Time and again, it has been seen that this violence is not spontaneous but sponsored. It is not organic but organized. This kind of mindset shows that this is not the youngsters of India, but it is actually a politically sponsored violence that is being done only and only to derail the armed forces and to demoralize the armed forces.
You heard the reactions. Let's quickly open this up. Shehzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, is with us. Padma Shri Sunkara, senior Congress leader. Dr. Nawal Kishore, national spokesperson of the RJD, completes the panel. Now, good evening, all of you. Padma Shri Sunkara, मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूं, what do you make of this advice given by the Jharkhand Congress MLA? He says खून से लथपथ हो जाएंगे लेकिन अग्निपथ को लागू नहीं होने देंगे. Your thoughts, ma'am?
Good evening, Mr. Roy, and all of you. Mr. Roy, first of all, we have seen past 8 years the youth of India are struggling for this survival, and now after the central government have brought out this Agnipath scheme, they are not ready to accept that controversial these services and all, which is really the defense forces who are ready to join the army, navy, or air forces and all. They are ready to sacrifice their life, and they are warriors and built to fight. And the government is playing. This is really another game played by the Bharatiya Janata Party. See, you remember very well, the central government is once bitten twice shy, taken on farmers previously, and PM himself had to apologize and take back that farmers' laws. Now they have taken on the soldiers.
Does that mean that you then justify violence, vandalism, arson, what have you?
It'll be a
just because you have differences or you don't agree with the provisions of the bill. Ms. Sunkara, now listen to me, ma'am. I'm asking you a question. You'll have all the time to respond. Just because you disagree with the provisions, will you justify violence? What does this mean? Khoon se latpat. This man is calling for bloodshed. This is provocation, clear incitement.
Mr. Roy, depends on the situation, and you have seen very well the BJP ruled states only all this violence have started. That means the failure of the intelligence from the state governments and the central government.
Okay, so Congress leaders have the license to provoke. It is the onus is on the state governments to maintain law and order.
How big is a mistake they are doing to cut down the cost?
No, that's okay, ma'am. That's okay. We'll come to
our children's future.
Ma'am, I understand that point. I am only asking you a specific question of what this Congress MLA has said.
Mr. Roy, yesterday itself I have said we don't accept the violence, and we don't really support the violence.
So you don't accept the violence, but you will embrace the leader who gives that call. Okay, fair enough. Let's get a response from the BJP. Shehzad Poonawalla, respond to that. You've heard what Irfan Ansari said. Now Ms. Sunkara says, depends on situation, we don't accept violence.
You know, it's pretty rich for a party that doubted surgical strike, Balakot airstrike, blamed Pulwama on Indian forces, those who've called the army chief Sadak Ka Gunda, hugged Bajwa and called him Sona Munda, those who have not given the army 1.86 lakh bulletproof jackets, those who denied the army the National War Memorial for 50 years, OROP for 42 years, those who denied the Indian army the CDS post for 10 years are coming and telling us what to do about the armed forces. I just want to start by Madam, you know what is behind this entire violence? The AICC, Arson Inko Chahiye Committee, the SP mindset, Sampatti Phuko mindset, and the RJD mindset, Rail Jalao or Danga Karo mindset. This is the mindset behind this violence. Today, I want to ask you a simple question, ma'am. Irfan Ansari, 1 second, Padmashri ji, please let me complete. Irfan Ansari says Khoon se latpat. You say that it is a Mahatma Gandhi ka satyagraha. Are the two relatable? If not, then when will you take action on Mr. Irfan Ansari? Point number 1. Point number 2. Madam, since you're so concerned about the armed forces, don't mind me asking you, what are the names of the 3 serving chiefs of the Army, Navy, Air Force? Without Googling.
See, you are simply putting the blame on the Congress.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, Padmashri ji, what are the names of the 3 serving chiefs of the Army, Navy, Air Force? Since you're so concerned, you know so much in detail about this issue, Pawan Kheda, you, Surjewala, all of you all know so much. Please, without Googling, tell me the names of the 3 serving chiefs, Army, Navy, Air Force. Surely you know about this. Come on, you're debating on this issue.
Should we make this about general knowledge?
No, it's not about general knowledge, but this is fundamental to this entire
issue. See,
do you know the names of the 3 chiefs?
You are really confusing and diverting the issue.
Padmashri ji, just you can move on from this. After you say that, I don't know.
The central government is not taking the responsibility of the and do you know that in spite of making the changes, and you have not even discussed with the previous servicemen
with utmost respect to you. Padmashri ji, you have to listen. You have to listen.
Bipin Rawat ji has not accepted.
I am asking you,
whatever the
I want to know if you are even competent to discuss this issue.
And
do you know the names of the serving chiefs?
And you know very well today's the youth are
she doesn't want to respond to that question.
Pranesh, if I may just come in for 10 seconds.
Youth are not ready to believe the Modi government.
Now don't have a meltdown. Don't have a meltdown on national television. Don't, Padmashri ji, I'm sorry. I know a couple of your pravaktas have had a meltdown, but you should not have one. Let me just complete. Padmashri ji. The audience can't hear, people can't hear. Let me spare you the embarrassment. Let me spare you the embarrassment. You don't know the names of the 3 chiefs. That's all right.
No, that's okay.
That's all right. That's all right.
To answer the question.
Yeah,
okay.
It's all right. It's all right. Padmashri ji, we are moving on. We are moving on from there.
Okay.
We are moving on from there. You don't know the chief's names. That's okay.
Ma'am, it's a choice that you have. You want to answer this. You can say, I don't want to answer this.
Or she doesn't know it. That's all. She can say, I don't know it. It's
let her say that.
You please speak about our youth, na?
Do you know the names of the 3 chiefs?
Speak about our children's future, na?
Achha, chaliye. So it's established here that those who are coming to talk about the Congress party and what they feel, they don't even know the names of the 3 chiefs. Now, they can Google it out. But you know what is more important is that today you have a situation that 4 years these people will be trained and will be sent back to society, and in the army they will serve as a future-ready fighting force. This is not the first time. There was an emergency commission in 1965 that actually had people for 5 years as part of a short commission, did not give any pension, did not give any lump sum. Today they're going to get a lump sum, 11 lakh rupees plus 20 lakh rupees actually if you see savings that they'll do, even their salary, they'll be sent out with a certificate and a qualification and a skill. They will be able to be absorbed in 25% in the army, 75% will get to go in the Central Armed Police Force. They'll be able to go to the police forces. They will actually contribute to society. But the party which has always abused our Sena, who doesn't even know the names of the 3 serving chiefs, is coming and lecturing us. This is the problem.
No, let's get a response.
A 10th pass person can lead a party, but people who will get a certificate, नाम नमक निशान पे वो सेवा करेंगे, 4 साल बाद वो बनेंगे एक force, वो नहीं जाके
Give her a chance to respond, Shehzad. Ms. Sontara. Sontara ji, if you can hear me.
Mr. Roy.
Yes.
बोलिए राहुल गांधी जैसा हाल मत कीजिए अपना बोल तो दीजिए कुछ
what is that what you want you're speaking senseless is the baseless statements which is not relevant to the issue.
Okay, this is relevant to the issue. Okay. Dr. Naval Kishore.
Not relevant to the issue.
Dr. Naval Kishore.
You're diverting the topic. You please speak about the promises.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, now 1 minute. Let me get in the national spokesperson of the RJD, Dr. Kishore. Do you agree with the mindless, senseless violence that we've seen? And what is fueling all this? Comments like the one made by Irfan Ansari.
देखिए, कोई भी आंदोलन में अगर हिंसा हो तो वो अपने आप को फेल होना निश्चित है। इसलिए हिंसा को तो कोई भी बढ़ावा या कोई सपोर्ट नहीं देगा। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोसेस है कि अगर किसी भी मुद्दे पे
नहीं,
अगर
आपके तो पार्टनर है झारखंड में सरकार में, आपके तो पार्टनर है इरफान अंसारी साहब। तो ये अगर बोल रहे हैं बढ़ावा नहीं देंगे, अभी पद्मश्री सुमकारा ने भी यही कहा।
आप पार्टी की बात कर, नहीं, आप पहले सुन लीजिए, आप किसके पार्टनर है वो सब जानता है। आप जिस मुद्दे पे बात करना है ना, बात कीजिए, नहीं तो ये बकवास करने वालों को जो बिठाए हैं अपने साथ।
नहीं, एक बात बताइए, किसी ने 3 सर्विस चीफ के नाम पूछ लिए तो वो बकवास हो गया? सड़क का गुंडा बकवास नहीं है, ब्लडशेड की धमकी बकवास नहीं। नवल किशोर जी क्या किस तरह की बातें कर रहे हैं?
अरे नहीं,
आपसे तो पूछा भी नहीं, आपको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है?
कांग्रेस से कान पकड़ के निकाल दिया है।
अरे अब आप देखिए, डोंट गेट पर्सनल नवल किशोर जी। एक बात बताइए, अगर उन्होंने 3 सर्विस चीफ के नाम पूछ लिए, आपसे तो नहीं पूछा।
आप ही के चैनल पे
बस सुनिए नवल किशोर जी, गुस्सा क्यों हो रहे हैं आप? नवल किशोर जी देखिए, डोंट गेट पर्सनल प्लीज।
सुनिए,
मैं बता रहा हूँ डॉक्टर किशोर सर, आई हैव हाई रिगार्ड्स फॉर यू। डॉक्टर किशोर, या पर्सनल क्यों हो रहे हैं? आप कह रहे हैं ये फालतू की बकवास। अगर उन्होंने चलिए पूछ भी लिया, 3 सर्विस चीफ्स के नाम अगर पूछ लिए, तो ये इसमें वाहियात बात है।
यू जस्ट लिसन टू, यू हैव आस्क्ड। अरे यार, नहीं, वाहियात है ना, आप नहीं जानेंगे ना, क्योंकि आप उनके पार्टनर हैं। वो बहुत अच्छा बात कर रहे हैं।
आप किसके पार्टनर हैं? नहीं, आप किसके पार्टनर हैं? सवाल अगर मैं पूछ रहा हूं तो मैं पार्टनर हो गया? मैंने तो आपको स्टैंड लेने बोला इरफान अंसारी, वो तो आपके पार्टनर है। आप मुझे क्यों किसी का पार्टनर बना रहे हैं सर? टाइम्स नाउ को मत जोड़िए इसमें।
आपने
अरे आप
डॉक्टर किशोर, you keep your politics aside. You can, go after Shehzad Poonawalla, the BJP, the Congress. I don't know. No, that's your business. But sir, let's be civil on the debate, sir. Dr. Kishore, please. आपको पता नहीं गुस्सा किस बात का है? इरफान अंसारी का टेप वायरल हुआ है, आपको गुस्सा किस बात का आ रहा है?
You are trying.
But Dr. Kishore, why are you so upset?
You are trying to humiliate a panelist on certain issues.
But Dr. Kishore, I have not even asked that question.
You are talking nonsense. This is a debate on.
But Dr. Kishore, I asked about Irfan Ansari. Now you tell me, if Irfan Ansari is threatening bloodshed, should I not be asking you that question? Dr. Kishore, मैंने तो आपको इरफान अंसारी के बारे में पूछा।
I told you that we have नहीं, मैं तो बता रहा, उसी का जवाब दे रहा था। बीच में आप उनको बोलने देंगे तो उनका जवाब देना पड़ेगा ना। मैं तो बोल रहा हूं कि कोई भी आंदोलन हिंसक होगा तो अपने मुद्दों से भटक रहा है। किसान आंदोलन ने यह दिखा चुका है कि शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से जन विरोधी कानूनों को वापस किया जा सकता है। ये युवाओं के हित में नहीं है। युवा जो स्टेक होल्डर हैं वो सड़क पे हैं और अपनी बात कह रहे हैं, और आप उनको कंसेशन दे रहे हैं। एक तरफ एक योजना लाते हैं जिसमें नौकरी मिलने से पहले पता है कि 4 साल के बाद बेरोजगार हो जाएगा, उसको कहते हैं कि होम मिनिस्टर ने रिलैक्सेशन दिया है, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने रिलैक्सेशन दिया है।
Respond to that, Shehzad. That's the charge by the opposition, that you are playing with the sentiments of people. This is not a well thought out scheme.
This is nothing. Yes.
निकल जाए, सारी कुछ चीजें निकल जाए ताकि ट्रेन में आग ना लगाई जाए। निकाल दो।
आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन।
जवाब दो। देखिए,
अरे आप भी निकल जाओगे।
ठीक है। अरे भाई, पहले आप गूगल करके सर्विस चीफ के नाम पता कर लो। जिस सेनाओं के बारे में बोलने आए उसके नाम भी नहीं पता आपको। ये तो आपकी रिसर्च और जानकारी। चलिए नवल जी, आपको क्यों दुख हो रहा है? भाई कांग्रेस से सवाल पूछा, रिएक्शन आरजेडी का आ रहा है। ये अजीब निकाह है। ये बिहार में तो तलाक हो गया था, यहाँ पे निकाह हो गया है। चलिए ठीक है भाई। अरे इतना क्या हो गया? अरे भाई इतना गुस्सा, ट्रेन नहीं जला देना, ट्रेन मत जला देना, ट्रेन मत फूंक देना कहीं। ओके, एक करके बात रखते।
सवाल पूछा,
कांग्रेस की नौकरी कर रहे हैं।
अरे भाई,
respond to that. Don't get personal, Dr. Nawal Kishore. Listen, Dr. Nawal Kishore. Let's not get personal here, sir. If you have to make a point, you make the point with all decency. Let's not get personal. एक दूसरे को तू मैं नहीं करे सर। ये बीजेपी ये सब नहीं करते। आपने जो सवाल पूछा, लेट्स गेट अ रिस्पांस।
अब देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि तर्कसंगत कुछ बातें। अरे भाई ठीक है, काबू में रहिए भाई, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है डिबेट। सुन लीजिए, मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि मान लेते अगर ये अग्निवीर
काबू में रहे।
अरे आप बेकाबू है, पता है हमें, पता है आप बेकाबू है, इसलिए तो मैंने कहा रेल जलाओ और दंगाई।
ओके, कम बैक टू द पॉइंट।
अब सुनिए, मुझे जवाब देने दीजिए, अन्यथा डिबेट का समय खर्च हो जाएगा ऐसे ही। देखिए, मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि मान लीजिए अग्निवीर स्कीम नहीं होती प्रणेश, एक मिनट के लिए मान लीजिए, आज भी ये हकीकत है कि कई सारे हमारे आर्मी के लोग जो है 30-31 की एज में रिटायर कर जाते हैं। उनके पास क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज रहते हैं बताइए जरा हमें। आज जो कर रहे हैं वो ये कर रहे हैं कि 17.5 से 21 की उम्र में आप ज्वाइन करते हैं, 4 वर्ष आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है, स्किल मिलता है, आपको आगे जाकर मॉडर्न सोसाइटी में कंट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए मौका मिलता है। और आपको गारंटी क्या मिल रही है? आज गारंटी ये मिल रही है डिफेंस सेक्टर में, डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री में, पीएसयूज में, 16 पीएसयूज में, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की पुलिस फोर्स में, मिलिट्री फोर्स में, यहां पर आपको अशोर्ड, और 25% को तो आर्मी में आगे बढ़ने का मौका मिल ही रहा है। तो ये कैसे आगे जाके ये, जैसे भूपेश बाघेल कह रहे हैं, नक्सली बनेंगे? मुझे बताइए कि जो आर्मी की ट्रेनिंग लेगा वो नक्सली बनेगा? ये इस प्रकार से ये अपमान नहीं हुआ? दूसरी बात मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं, आज मनीष तिवारी ने भी इसका स्वागत किया है, क्या मनीष तिवारी देशद्रोही है? कहां के सांसद है वो? ये हकीकत नहीं है कि इन्होंने जब ये छोड़ के गए थे सरकार तो 2 लाख करोड़ बजट था हमारी डिफेंस का, आज 5.5 लाख करोड़ बजट है। आज हमने अपाची खरीदे, हमने रफाल खरीदे, हमने मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट खरीदा, हम डिफेंस कॉरिडोर बना रहे, हम ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री का कॉर्पोरेटाइजेशन करके उसको प्रॉफिट में ला रहे हैं। आज ये हकीकत नहीं है कि जो सीडीएस था उसको हमने दिया है, बनाया है पोस्ट को, हमने ओआरओपी दिया है, 42,000 करोड़ हमने उसमें खर्च किया है, इन्होंने 500 करोड़ रुपए देकर चले गए थे। क्या ये सारी चीजें रिफॉर्म्स नहीं होनी चाहिए? क्या भारत की सेना को फ्यूचर रेडी फाइटिंग फोर्स नहीं होना चाहिए? क्या यूके और यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स जो 2 से 8 वर्ष के बीच में शॉर्ट कमीशन रखते हैं वो क्या गलत है? और भारत की सेना करे तो वो सही नहीं है? क्यों आपने क्यों किया था इमरजेंसी कमीशन के समय पर 5 साल का? और उस समय तो पेंशन भी नहीं थी, उस समय तो आपने लमसम भी नहीं। तो आप जब करें तब चमत्कार, और आज जब हो, और ये कारगिल रिव्यू कमेटी की रिपोर्ट में भी है, तो क्या आप ये कह रहे हैं कि जो हमारे 3 सेना प्रमुख है वो गलत है, कारगिल रिव्यू कमेटी के लोग गलत है, शेखटकर कमेटी के लोग गलत है, और केवल राहुल गांधी सबसे समझदार है, केवल तेजस्वी यादव सबसे समझदार है? आपको दिक्कत यह है कि भारत की सेना फ्यूचर रेडी फाइटिंग फोर्स ना बने, उनकी एवरेज 32 से उसको 27-26 पर ना आए, ये आपकी मंशा है।
डॉक्टर किशोर,
देखिए जो भी बात ये बोल रहे हैं, इनको मूल बात पे तो कोई प्रश्न इन्होंने बताया नहीं, उसका उत्तर नहीं दिया। जो 4 साल के बाद बेरोजगार होगा उसके पास पेंशन थोड़े होगा? जो शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन से रिटायर होते थे पहले, उनको पेंशन मिलती है। ये कैसा कंपैरिजन है? ये कौन सा गूगल से ज्ञान लेकर आए हो भाई?
ठीक है, आपका कहना है, सुनिए।
जो आप ये बोलते हो, सुनो पहले पूरी बात सुन लो। जो
अब बोल लीजिए, मैंने आपका सवाल समझ लिया।
वहां नौकरी मिल जाएगा। जो देश का सेवा कर, सुनो, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, जो नहीं समझा, जो देश का नौकरी करने का जज्बा रखता है उसको कहते हो कि 4 साल के बाद नौकरी खत्म, पेंशन नहीं, अब जाओ सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का नौकरी करो, जाकर भाजपा के दफ्तर में नौकरी करो, जाकर दुकान खोल लो, इस तरह का बात करोगे? देश के सेवा करने वाले जवानों के साथ, पोटेंशियल जवानों के साथ यह मजाक है। और यह मजाक इसलिए है
किशोर जी
कि 4 साल के बाद जहां जाना है जाओ, हम
नहीं, नवल किशोर जी,
ये कौन सा?
नवल किशोर जी, एक बात कहिएगा, आप क्योंकि बिहार से हैं, बिहार से बहुत सारे लोग एंट्रेंस वगैरह टेस्ट भी देते हैं, कितनी उम्र में शुरू होती है सरकारी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट? 21 की। अब इनके पास तो फिर भी बहुत सारे वर्ष होंगे वो टेस्ट देने के लिए, और आप कह रहे हैं असम राइफल, सीआरपीएफ, बीएसएफ, एसएसबी, आईटीबीपी, इसमें नौकरी करना है, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड की नौकरी है क्या? नहीं, नवल किशोर जी, कम से कम सीआरपीएफ, एसएसबी, बीएसएफ के लोगों को अपमानित ना करें आप, कम से कम सुरक्षा बलों को अपमानित ना करें। कांग्रेस पार्टी के प्रवक्ता बनने की होड़ में आप उन्हीं के नक्शे कदम पर चल रहे हैं क्या? नहीं, सीआरपीएफ की नौकरी करने वाले सिक्योरिटी गार्ड होते हैं, ये किस प्रकार का तर्क है आपका? बीपी का सिक्योरिटी गार्ड की नौकरी होती है, और सिक्योरिटी गार्ड की नौकरी भी देश की, एक सेकंड, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड की नौकरी वैसे कोई बुरी नहीं है, परंतु मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये सेंट्रल आर्म पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेज है, ये सेंट्रल आर्म पुलिस फोर्सेज है, इसको इस प्रकार से आप अपमानित करेंगे? ये सिक्योरिटी गार्ड बोल रहे हैं इनको।
Now 1 minute, Dr. Kishore, Shahzad Poonawala, now 1 minute. Here is something that I want you to look at. And Krishank is also joining us, spokesperson of the TRS. Good evening, sir. In Sikandrabad, there was large-scale vandalism and arson. Today, Times Now has accessed incriminating WhatsApp chats and audio tapes. डॉक्टर किशोर, मैं आपके पास भी आऊंगा क्योंकि औरंगाबाद, बिहार से भी कल की एक फुटेज है जो अब सामने आई है, जिसमें स्कूल में सर, जहां बच्चे थे छोटे, वहां पे भी हमला हो गया। लेकिन उससे पहले सिकंदराबाद में जो क्या हुआ वो तस्वीरें तो सबने देखी। नाउ लिसन टू दिस ऑडियो टेप। आप जो कह रहे हैं डॉक्टर किशोर, दैट ऑल ऑफ दिस वो स्पॉन्टेनियस, ये लोगों का गुस्सा है जो सामने प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, आप उनका मजाक ना उड़ाएं। अब आप देखिए ये किस तरह से प्रायोजित था एक किस्म से। हमारे पास जो व्हाट्सएप चैट्स हैं सर, इट इज ऑल अ मैटर ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन, द पुलिस इज अवेयर ऑफ दिस एंड ऑडियो टेप्स। लोग कह रहे हैं कि पेट्रोल लाओ, क्यों इतना मेहनत कर रहे हो, पुलिस आने से पहले सब जला दो, इससे न्यूज भी बनेगी। नाउ लिसन टू द 3 ऑडियो टेप्स दैट वी हैव।
ఎంతసేపు ఒర్రుతారా, ఒర్రి నొర్రులు వస్తాయి, అందుకే గమ్మున పోయి పెట్రోల్ తీసుకొచ్చి తగలబెట్టేసినాం అనుకో బయటికి పోతుంది న్యూస్, అంతేగాని ఎంతసేపు ఒర్రినా ఎంతసేపు బ్యానర్లు చూపించినా ఎంత మొత్తుకున్నా ఏం అవ్వదు. ఇంకొక రెండు గంటలో, ఒక గంటలో స్క్వాడ్ వస్తుంది, అందరిని వెళ్ళింటారు మొత్తం. అందుకే పోయి పెట్రోల్ పంప్ పోయి పెట్రోల్ తీసుకొని వస్తే మొత్తం తగలబెట్టచ్చు 2 నిమిషాలల్లా. सब लोग बटालियन आ गया, ड्राइती फली कने आ जाओ, बस जलाएंगे. सब लोग बटालियन आ गया, ड्राइती फली कने आ जाओ, बस जलाएंगे. అరే పెట్రోల్ పంప్ పోతున్నా, పెట్రోల్ తీసుకురావడానికి ఎవరైనా వస్తే పెట్రోల్ తీసుకురావడానికి, అరే పెట్రోల్ పంప్ పోతున్నా, పెట్రోల్ తీసుకురావడానికి ఎవరైనా వస్తే పెట్రోల్ తీసుకురావడానికి రండి.
ये 3 ऑडियो टेप्स है, हमने जिनको समझ में नहीं आया वो ट्रांसक्राइब भी कर दिया है पूरा। डॉक्टर किशोर, मैं आपके पास आऊंगा, बट आई वांट टू स्टार्ट बाय आस्किंग यू, मिस्टर कृषांत, what do you make of this? People calling for petrol, it's a coordinated attack.
Well, violence cannot be encouraged at all, and based on these audio clips, it was clearly understood by anyone that these youngsters were calling in for support, bringing in petrol or whatever were needed for them to do that violence. But the point is, more than these youngsters on what action they've done, why has it happened? As state governments today, we question that government of India takes up any mess and we have to clean this entire thing. They have got these policies which are understandable for the youngsters of this nation, and they have, if someone has provoked them, yes, they will be punished. We have already caught that person. He will be brought to the Telangana state immediately.
No, are you in any way, help me understand, because I am really baffled by the logic that you've just given. Are you in any way justifying this call for carnage arson, Mr. Krishant?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But who is the cause?
Okay, who is the cause? So are you saying, sir, are you saying, no, 1 minute. Now, sir, 1 minute, one minute. Help me understand. I am confused. Are you saying that Ajmal Kasab, who came with 9 others to attack the Taj Hotel, would you be blaming the Lashkar-e-Toiba? No, 1 minute. 1 minute. Would you be blaming the Lashkar-e-Toiba, the Pakistani deep state, the ISI? Or would you be... No, 1 minute. Sun to lijiye, Mr. Krishant.
I got your question. Mr. Roy. I am baffled that you are comparing our youngsters...
No. I'm not, Mr. Krishant. I am not. These people who are violating the rule of law, these people who are setting things on fire, they are not protesters, they are vandals.
You are comparing them.
You began by saying, Mr. Krishant, that you don't support violence. Now look what is happening in these audio tapes. What did you hear, sir? These people are saying petrol lao, jala do.
Mr. Roy, these youngsters of our nation are victims of government of
these
India
people who are setting trains on fire are victims. Okay, so you are justifying that. Okay, great. Let's get a response from the BJP.
Why are they doing it? Why did they do it?
Okay, why are they doing it? Shehzad Poonawala, the national spokesperson of the BJP, why are they doing it? Your government at the center is responsible.
First of all, you know, there's a pattern. You look at the pattern. When the hijab verdict came out, it was a court verdict, but there was these people who gave political patronage to the Kattarpanthis. During CAA, which was passed by Parliament, there was this that gave patronage to the Dangais. Now, during this entire Agniveer debate, there is a same group that is giving patronage to whom? To those people who, for vested interests, are trying to spread propaganda and falsehoods. This is the same thing they did even during the Kisan Andolan. They stood with those bicholias who wanted to actually further their vested interests, and these vested interests are the reason. Mr. Krishank, I did not interrupt you. Krishank, are you with the... Mr. Krishank, let's have a civilized debate. Mr. Krishank, can I have a civilized debate with you? Can I speak? Can I complete? Are you so intolerant to anybody else's views? You all are 3 of yours, and apparently there is no alliance, but seemingly on TV there is alliance. Now let me complete. I'm 1 versus 3. Please don't start burning trains. Please, on debate don't burn trains. At least let me complete. देखो burning train बोला तो RJD पहले जवाब देना शुरू. अब सुन लीजिए ना, एक बार सुन लीजिए. कृष्ण, my limited question to you. Can I please not have you all 3 triggered at the same time? तीनों क्यों ट्रिगर हो रहे भैया? एक सवाल का जवाब दे दो.
Then
I am
why are
asking
you
Mr.
angry?
Krishan, अरे ये ऑर्केस्ट्रा है क्या?
Why you are not
commotion
able
का?
to? Why you are not able to?
Is this
convince her?
orchestra of commotion?
Miss Sunkara,
Madam,
I'm coming to you. Miss
Madam,
Sunkara, let's not
Padmashri-
talk over each other. Shehzad, make your point. Make your point
आप तो
quickly. Then
Google
I'm going to Miss Sunkara.
आप तो गूगल कर लो पहले. आप गूगल कर लो names of our chief.
No, no.
ये दो
Now, Krishan ji, please, I'm asking you something, sir. Please don't make it difficult to
21 you
debate.
changed to 23.
Can you
Without
please not
any
make it
issue.
difficult to
Why
debate?
has
Can I have a
government
word?
appeared?
Make your point quickly.
My limited point, Mr. Krishank, is that there are a bunch of vested interests. There are a bunch of vested interests that are deliberately trying to spread propaganda and fake information about the Agniveer scheme, which has been clarified by the Army Chief, by the Navy Chief, by the Air Force Chief. Do you trust your Air Chief, your Army Chief, your Navy Chief, or do you trust these people who've been arrested for actually spreading propaganda? Do you trust Irfan Solanki, who says कि देश में खून से लथपथ हो जाएगा? Whom do you trust? Whom do you trust, Mr. Krishank? Do you trust the Army Chief, Air Force Chief, Navy Chief, or do you trust this coaching center person who for his vested interest spreading propaganda and was arrested by your police? Please tell me whom you trust.
That academy guy has been arrested.
Exactly, and you are defending him, and you are saying Army Chief is wrong. This is not government policy, this is Armed Forces policy. I am representing Armed Forces policy. You are representing whom? Coaching
the
institute.
young of India. And the young of
You
India.
are for this coaching institute, I am for the Armed
And the
Forces.
young
You
of
tell me.
India are a concern for you. And the young, we are working for the young.
No, Mr. Krishan, we are all for the young of India. But no, 1 minute, sir. We are all for the young of India. Mr. Krishan.
Now I have two questions.
No, sir.
Acha, you are saying, okay,
one minute. Shehzad, 1 minute. Mr. Krishan, now 1 minute. Sir, if the police in Telangana has taken action against the person, should you be defending this guy?
See, that guy will get his punishment. Due course by the court of law.
So
But
can
what
I
about
just
the
take this forward?
youngsters?
Can I just
What
take this
about the
forward?
ongoing
Krishan, just
recruit-
important question. Can I
ongoing
take one question
recruit?
forward with you?
But what is the purpose here? It is not that
just give me
one
10
guy
seconds
was
to
so-
take one thing
10
forward.
seconds. Okay, Dr. Kishore, you're next. I'm coming to you. Dr. Kishore, आपके पास आ रहा हूँ इसके बाद.
Krishan ji, I want to ask you one question.
That guy.
Krishan ji, please,
But
please,
where are
1
these
second.
youngsters going
Let's
to?
have a
Are
civilized
they
debate. I'm
jobs?
asking you my question, then you answer it. The
You
armed
already asked
forces.
your question. I think you have to take some questions.
No problem. Now you also answer. You have a government in Telangana. Don't play a victim. I am asking you.
You are a government in India.
Can you
and
please
spread
stop
out all
behaving
states.
immature and listen to my question?
This issue has spread all states, my dear Shehzad.
Can I
not
ask you
just
about
in
your
Telangana.
state, my
And
dear?
you have to
Can I
take
ask you about your state, my dear? Thank you. Now let me ask you a question. The armed forces chiefs have said something about this policy. You trust them? Now if somebody manipulates it, like this coaching center person, you are coming and defending them tonight and saying that the policy enunciated by our armed forces chief is wrong, but the coaching center guy is right. This is what you've come down to. जो आग लगा रहा है, जो भड़का रहा है, जो केरोसिन लेकर छिड़क रहा है, जो बोल रहा है कि खून से लथपथ होगा, you are defending him and you are putting into castigation and this is the
No,
most
let him
shameless
respond.
thing.
Are you mature enough
Shameless.
to have my answer
I know
now?
KCR does not like the armed forces. He had questioned surgical strike, but this is the level you'll fall to.
An answer. Are you mature enough to listen to an answer now?
Sir, I am
No,
seeing
let
your
him
maturity.
respond. Shehzad, let him respond.
Is this policy a brainchild of the armed forces or Mr. Rajnath Singh and Modi ji? Because
Armed forces.
in 24 hours, why have you changed?
Armed forces.
If
Because they
rigid
gave
by
the
your
feedback.
decision,
Because they gave
first
feedback.
you announced.
Because
you
they gave
announced
feedback. We
21.
listen to feedback.
First,
Whatever
let's
armed
have
forces
to
tells us
show your maturity
is
level.
सोने की
Do not
लकीर
be
for us.
immature. When you put a question, you should have the maturity to also listen to the
I am
answer.
answering your question right away. It's the armed forces
nahi.
policy. Kargil
Arre
Review
suniye
Committee
to.
said it. Other commissions have said it. They decided that this is needed to bring the age profile down. We implemented it. No doubt.
शहजाद इतने स्टेट्स में इतने युवा बाहर आए हुए हैं. Come
ये
on,
युवा
they
है
are
क्या? इरफान
directly
सोलंकी युवा है.
challenging your prime minister.
इरफान सोलंकी युवा है.
Do not pick up one individual, one religion. Go identify.
इरफान सोलंकी religion हो गया अब.
Oh, Irfan Ansari. No, 1 minute. Irfan Ansari is a Congress MLA, but his religion, don't get into religion now.
Irfan
Why
Ansari
is
is
he
being
picking
victimized.
up
नहीं खून से
names?
लथपथ बोला है. It's okay. अब he's being victimized.
Now, even
We are
the
not
Congress
okay with
party has
anything.
not come up with this.
I wish you talk about the youngsters and not politicians for tonight.
So Irfan
We are not
Ansari
here to represent
should come and
Congress.
say that this man should be in jail.
No, let him make his point. He'll come to that. Dr. Kishore, मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके पास 30 seconds.
इरफान अंसारी या कोई भी भाड़ में जाने दो. What we are concerned is about the ongoing recruit examination where youngsters who are waiting for their written examination after their physical test, they do not have a clarity from government of India. Simultaneously, after your 4 years, I hear Mr. Kishan Reddy in his press conference says that they will be having skill training of barbers, drivers, electricians. This is your combative training. This is your skill training, and after 4 years, you want them to do these jobs. This is your government of India, and please do not use these armed force 3 chiefs as your shield. This is your government of India's failed policy. And I can tell you the 3 names of the armed forces.
No, now enough time has been given. You should have said it when you were in Congress, not when you hopped on to TRS. You should have said it when you were in Congress party. But having said that, that's not the moot point here. The Congress stands exposed for what their commitment to the armed forces is.
I haven't gone to the Bharatiya Janata Party.
I know where I have gone. I know where I have gone. You also know where you have come.
Okay, let me bring in. Let me bring in Dr. Kishore.
The point that is to be made is only this. One second. The point that I'm trying to make is only this. That first of all, today, please tell me that today you're saying Agniveers, after 4 years of training under the armed forces, where they will serve under Naam Namak Nishan, they will become Maoists and they will become Naxalites. This is what Bhupesh Baghel said. Is this not an insult of the armed forces? These are the same people who have time and again to reduce the manobel of the armed forces. Sometimes stood with Doklam, sometimes at Galwan mein kuch nahi hua, sometimes at surgical strike hi nahi hua, Balakot airstrike nahi hua. Today these people are talking about valor of the armed forces.
I have a more fundamental question to ask, and Dr. Kishore, I want to bring you in. Is the politics allowing the opportunists to hijack this?
बहुत देर से इंतजार कर रहा हूं आपका।
जी सर, डॉक्टर किशोर, ये जो राजनीति चल रही है इस पे, क्या आपको लगता है इससे ये एक किस्म से जो लोग जो हाईजैक करना चाहते थे, वो लोग जो ट्रेन में आग लगा रहे हैं, उन्होंने हाईजैक कर लिया है और राजनीति इसको अलाउ कर रही है कि आप हाईजैक करिए, मिसलीड कीजिए लोगों को?
नहीं, देखिए, ये तो जवाब देना चाहिए जो लोग चोरी चोरी चुपके कानून बनाते हैं या कोई योजना बनाते हैं और थोप देते हैं। जैसे किसानों पे पहले थोपा, आप जवान बनने वाले जो लोग हैं उन पे थोप रहे हैं। ये सवाल तो उनसे पूछना चाहिए। जहां तक आप बोलते हैं, हम लोग बार बार विपक्ष ये बोल रहा है कि कोई भी हिंसा आंदोलन के लिए सही नहीं है। आप हमें विश्वास नहीं कर रहे हैं। ये भाजपा के हास्यास्पद प्रवक्ता का बात आप पूरा देश को सुना रहे हैं कि जो विपक्ष है वो स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है। बिहार में सरकार आपकी है, यूपी में सरकार आपकी है, हरियाणा में सरकार आपकी है और पूरे देश में सरकार आपकी है। अभी सुनिए पहले
10वीं फेल नेता कुछ बहुत कुछ करेगा देश के लिए, और जो 4 साल आर्मी की ट्रेनिंग ले रहा है वो जाकर नक्सली बनेगा। हाँ, 10वीं फेल नेता बहुत देश का उद्धार करेगा, और ये 4 साल आर्मी में रहने वाला वो नक्सली बनेगा। ये कौन सा आपका लॉजिक है? रेल जलाओ दल है आप, रेल जलाओ दल,
कहीं लाइब्रेरी
रेल जलाओ दल
के तुम भी नागपुर के पाठशाला के पढ़ के।
अरे आप रेल जलाओ दल मत बनिए, ये लालटेन से आग मत लगाइए सब जगह। ये लालटेन की आग लगा रहे हैं सब जगह।
अरे दंगाई
लालटेन से आग मत लगाइए सब जगह।
भ्रष्टाचारी लोग तुम्हारे पास हैं।
अरे भ्रष्टाचार की आप बात कर रहे हो भाई, कुछ तो लिहाज करो। लालू प्रसाद की पार्टी भ्रष्टाचार की बात कर रही है। 7 बार कन्विक्ट हुए, 7 बार गिनीज रिकॉर्ड बना है कन्विक्शन का। आप करप्शन की बात कर रहे हैं।
सोते समय भी लालू जी सपने में आते हैं।
लालू जी कैसे ना सपने में आएंगे? चारा चोरी किया है, गाय का चारा चोरी किया, गाय का चारा चोरी किया।
लालू जी से मिलने के लिए लालू जी से मिलने के लिए कितना दिन इंतजार करते रहे लाइन में, ये कौन नहीं जानता है? अरे शहजादपुरा वाला।
Okay, let's not talk over each other now. One minute, please. Dr. Kishore, शहजादपुरा वाला Dr. Kishore. Now 1 minute. Let's not trivialize this, please. Now 1 minute. No, please spare a thought for the viewer, please. Let's not trivialize this. We're talking something very, very serious. Let's have some, order here on the debate. Dr. Kishore, please, don't get personal, sir. Shehzad.
Can I make
No, 1 minute.
Can I make a fundamental
let me bring in the Congress spokesperson.
No, I want to ask her only a fundamental.
No, 1 minute. Let me bring her in.
Okay.
Padmashri Sunkara, ma'am, you heard the tapes. Right. You heard your own leader, Irfan Ansari, talking about Khoon se latpat. And I also want to remind you what another Congress leader said in Maharashtra. देश में आग लगेगा अंगार. What has the party done about him? If you detest violence, I am sure you can, go ahead and take action. But nothing has been done.
Mr. Roy, you are not going to decide what party is going to.
I am not deciding, ma'am. I am only asking you a question.
Today's discussion and past few days, what we are discussing about is the failure of the central government. And the nation of the youth are not able to believe the Modi government. And if they feel that armed force chief and the central government has brought out a very good scheme and all, why they are not able to convince the youth? Why the youth are angry? What is all this violence is happening in India?
It's
why
being
the public
provoked by your people,
facing this
Irfan Ansari
problem?
and company.
It is
Please,
being
I want
provoked
to
by
ask
Irfan
you the
Ansari
same
and company.
question
Don't blame
again
the
and again
youth.
on your
Don't blame
failure.
Agniveers who are
Why
going to
are
be
you blaming the
inducted in the
opposition
army.
parties?
You blame your
Or
Irfan Ansari.
2014, before 2014 coming into power, Modi gave big speeches saying एक पाकिस्तान का हम लोग हमारा जवान को मार डाल रहा है, एक सर के बदले 10 सर
सर्जिकल
काट के
स्ट्राइक
लाएंगे।
किया,
कितना सर
सर्जिकल
काट के
स्ट्राइक
लाए
किया,
आप
आपको
लोगों
भरोसा
ने?
नहीं है? You don't believe surgical strike took place?
You have already played with the farmers.
Who said
and
खून
now
की
you are
दलाली?
playing with the-
Who said खून की
with the-
दलाली?
with your
Who said
game.
army kills
The
more
BJP is
civilians
playing
than
with the
terrorists?
youth of the
Your
nation.
leader said it. Who said
We
खून
are
की दलाली?
warning
Your
you.
leader said it.
Aziz,
Who said सड़क का गुंडा?
we
Your
are
leader
telling
said
you,
it. Who
don't
went and
blame
hugged Bajwa? Your
opposition,
leader went and
don't
hugged
bring
Bajwa.
Congress,
Who
and
said
don't bring Rahul Gandhi.
Balakot नहीं हुआ? Who
You
said
are doing
Pulwama was an
only
inside job? All of
only
this
the
has been said by
vendetta
you.
politics. Don't speak about politics.
Don't speak
Our
about it. You
future,
are only doing siyasat on
our
Agniveer.
children are on
आप
roads.
सिर्फ सियासत
Please
कर रही
speak
हैं।
about it.
अच्छा मैडम,
What is the future of our children? What is the future of our children?
अब मुझ पे चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Can I ask you one question?
आप भी ना कुछ ज्यादा बात मत करो.
अच्छा नहीं
You are
करता.
diverting
आपसे
the
सवाल
topic.
पूछते हैं.
You are
एक
all
सवाल
doing.
पूछते हैं.
The central
Madam,
government
I'm
is
asking you a
doing
simple
only the diversion
Okay.
politics.
Madam, can I ask you a
Today's
question?
day, thousands of our youth are on roads. Please speak about it.
Okay.
And what
I'm
is their
speaking about
future?
it. Can I
What
speak
is the
about them?
guarantee the central
Can I
government is
speak
giving?
about them?
Why
Can I
the
speak
youth
about
are
them?
not able to
Madam, you
believe
look
the
after
Modi
the youth in
government?
Rajasthan, 20% unemployment rate for last 1 year. But you tell me, OROP, how many years it took for you to implement? How many years you took to implement CDS? Why didn't you implement the National War Memorial demand? Why didn't you implement the machine
From
guns that were
past,
required?
whatever
Why
we
didn't you
have
get the
done
bulletproof
from
jacket
past
that were
70
required? Why
years
didn't you
and
buy
all,
the Apaches, the
you are
Rafales that were
selling
required?
out all
Why didn't you manufacture the
all our
AK-103
government,
that need to be manufactured in India? Why didn't you build the defense
See, you are
corridors? Why didn't you corporatize the ordnance factories? Please tell me one
privatizing
question
all
why
our
didn't you do
government
any reforms in
properties.
the defense sector?
And the Modi
please
Shah
can you stop
government is
interrupting?
only working
Can
for the
you please
2%.
Stop interrupting.
Only for two
Can you please
business
tell me what was the
people.
defense budget in 2014? Can you tell me what was the defense budget in 2014?
See, this is not a quiz contest. Who are you to question me on this?
It's a policy
This is not a quiz contest.
You have
I'm warning you again. This is not a quiz contest.
This
You
is
speak
Narendra
about our
Modi
children. You
government.
speak about their future.
This is
Why are they
about
on
our
road?
future. It is
Because
about
of your
the
policies.
future.
Because of
2 lakh crores we are giving.
why the hell I should reply to you? I'm not here to answer to your question.
किया नहीं.
And you're in the government. You please answer to the nation.
एक आर्मी चीफ का नाम पता
Even
नहीं.
in Andhra
आर्मी को
Pradesh,
केवल
the
गाली
BJP
दी.
has cheated
सड़क का
the
गुंडा
cheated the
कहाँ
people
हो
of
रहा
Andhra
है यहाँ पे?
Pradesh.
किस
You
प्रकार से?
have Narendra Modi himself promised in 2014 during the election time he is going to fulfill all the promises made in the
We have
parliament
fulfilled
status.
National War
Until
Memorial.
today you have
Okay,
not fulfilled.
okay.
CDS,
Shehzad
all the
Poonawala,
promises.
Shehzad
तो किया
Poonawala,
है.
Padma Shri Sunkara, Dr. Naval Kishore and Trishant, we've run out of time. But I think all of us agree that violence is certainly not the way forward. You can disagree with the policies, but let's not resort to damaging public property. Let's spare a thought for the youth, but let's all be responsible in whatever we say. I thank all of you for joining us on debate number 1 on the News Hour. Taking a short break, lots more lined up on the other side. Please stay with us.